We just got somebody to honk. We finna do it again. But hey, we got somebody.
No, he gonna get good luck. He gonna get good luck.
Yeah, we said honk for good luck. Ah!
Okay.
We're gonna be here and take it out. I know. Up when the sign up with it.
He's like, they move.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna leave you guys here. Okay. Come on. And we're gonna like pause the video and we're gonna make another one until my grandma or grandpa come down, you know.
I pointed out the sign. I know.
So yeah, we're gonna finna run, you know, because like we want people to honk. So.
Bro, I can't believe that boy honked.
And he gonna get good luck now. Yo, you really be awful.
All right, Nani, put your name. Put your name on the bottom. I put my name. Put your name.
No.
Yo, he
And I can't believe I thought my phone didn't have the video.
Wow. I told you the videos are for a good cause.
When Tita come, we gotta take it down. On video. And then I'm gonna get my phone.
know this shit.
Yeah.
No, she knows.
I don't think no girls gonna come. I don't think girls gonna come.
But hey, we gotta go and see if we can see some more people this way.
Bro, I can't believe.
Feels like he hung. You're like this, look.
What if he got YouTube and he goes on our videos? Nani, now it's on YouTube. Our videos on YouTube now.
No, it's on camera. I put it on camera.
Yeah, but
And now
cameras.
Yeah, we could post it on YouTube. It goes through YouTube. But
Yeah.
we gotta post. We gotta make our account so we can put the ones we want.
It's because he probably didn't see it.
Bro, if Nani didn't do that 2 days ago, we wouldn't even have this idea today.
Exactly. No, he going that. They going that way.
Oh, he's coming.
No.
They going that way.
Oh, he's coming.
They going that way.
You're right. Nuh-uh.
No, they coming. They coming that way.
He wasn't paying attention. He didn't pay attention.
Did she look though?
No, it was a boy. No, he wasn't paying attention.
Barely.
Hey.
Oh! Who was that?
Oh, he's waiting for somebody.
He honked anyway.
Nah, nice.
Bro, if somebody else comes.
Oh my god, I thought that was a honk, but that was a honk for somebody to hurry up. Yeah. Wait, there might be somebody.
Yeah, that great car. Hey, they coming.
Okay, come on, guys.
Let's go.
What if they're calling the cops?
They can't. They can't.
Honk, honk. Honk, honk. Honk, honk.
That boy gonna get good luck. That boy's gonna get good luck.
People's gonna probably follow us on YouTube. Follow me on YouTube.
They coming, they coming, they coming. They coming, they coming. Honk. 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 Oh, yes, thank you.